Look at that. Oh, them views. Beautiful.
Are you a YouTuber?
Hey, yeah.
Really? We're gonna be on YouTube! Yay!
Alrighty, start to day 2 at USTE. The sun is shining and things are looking good. The weather feels great. It's a little bit of a nip in the air, so it's not going to be super hot, we've seen, but the sun will be out, drying up the landy, and we'll see how it goes. But I predict it's going to be an awesome day. Hey, what is up, you guys? From out on the trail here, day 2 USTE. What an awesome day it's been so far. Started out with the show and shine for the vintage RCs, monster trucks, and mega trucks. And awesome enough, the Bigfoot 11 won the best of show for the Shafty class of monster trucks. So that's awesome. Freestyle RC ZEI, beautiful truck that they built. Thank you, Josh Rhodes, for hooking me up last minute with a Bigfoot body to put on it. You are a champ, man. But yeah, so that thing was looking good, and beautiful truck out here. Did some racing, did first in the first qualifier, got hung up in the second one. We're not racing for anything but pride, and so I think I was second or third in the actual final event, but didn't really matter. It was for fun. It was just banging into each other on this tiny little course. Super fun. And yeah, so then we did mega mud trucks, but before that I went out on the trail with the guys from Operation 11 Charlie, and man, that was a blast to see those guys out on the trail for the first time with their brand new RCs. Super cool, and they were loving it, having a blast. So it's been an awesome event. I mean, Rob and the crew has put on just an amazing event, and they should be very proud of what they've built here. And so I'm really excited about it. I hope to come back next year. Hopefully it just keeps growing. It sounds like it just keeps on growing and growing. They got semi trucks, all that. That'll be on show tomorrow. Big air bashing, lots of stuff coming, guys. I hear some semi trucks rolling up right now. But awesome event, awesome day. Thank you to Dixieland RC for being one of the sponsors. I won one of the prizes from them, Scale goodies and a stand, so that's awesome. Anyway, guys, have fun RC, and we'll catch you next time.
A little crazy up front. Small truck. Battle for first and two. Nothing to do. Whipping everything. Go. I can't believe you took so long to break the cage. Don't forget to count your lap. Perfect. Count your lap. Don't forget to count your lap. Hey, if you wait for him, you can out the race. And you know that our prizes are super high into these racing stuff.
You can pick which one you're going to go with.
You want to use this?
Yeah, that was fun.
It's Army.
Yeah, of course, I'm on it.
So let me get I need to get a battle.
Come on, 11 Charlie. Javier's doing it the hard way. There it is. Hey! Jimmy is holding strong. He's getting up hook though. There it is. That was perfect.
Watch one break.